Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can turn on and turn off multilingual text suggestion in Windows 10. This is pretty simple and easy straightforward method. So for this you need to click on this start icon and click on this settings gear icon. And on the right side you need to click on the ease of access, and in the setting on the left side you need to click on this keyboard, and on the top right side you need to click on this typing setting. And now you need to scroll down until you find multilingual text suggestions, and this says shows text suggestion based on the recognized language that you are typing in. If you need to turn it off, you just need to toggle it off, and if you want to turn it on, you just need to turn it on, and that's all. So this way you can easily turn on or off multilingual text suggestion in Windows 10. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.